A land with ancient roots cigarettes to millions yet caught in one of history's most complex conflicts. This is Palestine, where history, faith, and struggle come together in a story unlike any other. But how much do you really know about Palestine? Let's find out. Welcome to the World Info Hub, where we uncover the most fascinating places and stories from around the world. If you love history and interesting facts, make sure to follow us. Short history about Palestine. Palestine's history goes back more than 5,000 years. It has been home to ancient civilizations, including the Canaanites, Egyptians, Romans, and Ottomans. The name Palestine comes from the Palestinians, an ancient people who lived in the region over 3,000 years ago. This land has always been at the crossroads of history, connecting Africa, Asia, and Europe. One of its most famous cities, Jericho, is believed to be the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world, dating back nearly 11,000 years. Population. Today, Palestine consists of two main areas, the West Bank and the Gaza Strip, with a combined population of around 5.5 million. The majority of Palestinians are Arab Muslims, but there are also Palestinian Christians who have lived here from centuries. Geographically, Palestine is small but diverse, featuring fertile valleys, olive groves, and even parts of the Dead Sea, which is the lowest point on Earth at 430 meters below sea level. Interesting fact number 1. Sacred sites. Palestine is home to the Al-Aqsa Mosque, the third holiest site in Islam, as well as the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, one of Christianity's most sacred places. Fact number 2. Ancient olive trees. Some olive trees in Palestine are over 1,000 years old and still produce olives. Fact number 3. Unique cuisines. A famous Palestinian dish, malkuba, literally means upside down because it flipped over before serving. Fact number 4. Literature and poetry. Palestinians have a rich literary tradition with poets like Mahmoud Darwish, whose words capture their history and struggle. Fact number 5. The Dead Sea miracle. The Dead Sea, partly in Palestine, is so salty that people can float on its surface without sinking. Palestine is not just a land of history, it's a land, culture, faith, and resilience. Its people continue to preserve their heritage despite all challenges. What do you think about Palestine? Have you ever wanted to visit? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe World Info Hub for more fascinating facts from around the world.